Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of What's in the Box. Yeah, it's been a while since I did one of these, but I just got a bunch of. I've been getting stuff in and just been putting it right to work. But we're gonna stop off today. So I picked up my pre-order at Trainland today of a Bowser NC5 and N5 Caboose. I almost dropped it. If you guys have built these Bowser Caboose kits again for Pennsylvania, they're actually pretty decent kits, and they had all the handrails and everything molded in. These are actually separate handrails on these things. It's actually really nice. This kit, you're gonna see this coming up in a couple of future, at least one future episode, because we are going to put lights in the interior and marker lights on it. Why marker lights? Because I want marker lights. And that's it. It's pretty decent. I got the train phone on there. I'll see if I can get pictures of these, but these handrails and railings and everything on here are really, really intricate, really fine, and they look real good. The top is glued on, but only a couple spots. I was able to pop this off. Not the first time I took it out because it's a new toy. I got to play with it the right way. So we have that. But yeah, we're gonna put lights in this, interior lights in. Possibly, I'm thinking I'm gonna go DCC on this because I get marker lights on. I believe I'm working on it right now. It looks like one marker light on the engineer's side, on the engineer's side of the train, facing from the back forward. One light. Just have to determine the proper color because it looks yellowish and orangish, but then in another picture it's illuminated. It looks red. So I'm just trying to figure out so I get the right colors and everything, and we'll put that in. We'll do that in an episode. I have the as I think you saw in one of my other videos where I lit other cabooses. We did that. All right, so that goes over here on the pile of stuff over here, which is getting bigger. I picked up a set of Walthers wheels, 33 inches. We're going to put these. I already got 12 of them, so I can only do 4 cars. My hopper, my 20-car hopper drag that I've been putting together. It needs. They need metal wheels to bring them to the club, so we'll get 4 cars done. We'll do a little video on these, and we'll also we'll spec these out. We'll use the MRA gauge to see how good they are. We'll get to this in a minute. This is from Factory Direct. If I remember correctly, this is going to be Broadway Limited engineers and conductors. Yep. Wow. All right. I got the A, B, and I got the A and B figures. These are really nice set. So we have these. I'll put these right here for now because I gotta find a spot for them. This is. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. This is 2 3D printed engineers and conductors. These were dirt cheap. I got these off of Amazon. I think these were like $2 a piece. So I just wanted to try them. And as you may have seen in other videos, I'm starting to get into painting figures. So we have that. And I'm going to put them with that. All right, so what we got is, let me make a little room here, because this is an upcoming video, and this video is of this Tichy train build. Oh, yeah, of this Tichy train build. This is a 53 and 6-inch long GSA gondola from Tichy. We will be putting metal wheels on these, possibly changing out these trucks. I think I got a set of Katie's, and I'm going to put them on there. The big thing I did was I bought a Berkshire Valley, which is, they bought out American Model Builders, and it says it right in their little instruction things that they bought, they bought most of their stuff, or all their stuff, for a nice wood grain floor on it. And because that's just not too inspiring. So we're going to put this together in a very near future video. And not only is it getting that wood deck put in there, but I got this 3D printed, if I remember correctly, this is I think this is an EMD. Hold on. EMD motor out of a locomotive. I was hoping to be able to get one with a, there's a EMD 567 prime mover. So this is going to get painted and detailed. We're going to put this on, we'll put this on wood on the deck, on the wood deck. We're going to, crib this thing up really nice. I mean, looks a little big, a little small for the flat car, but I don't care. That's what's going on. So we're going to build this up onto here, put it on. There's one little casting issue right here, which I think we can fix with no problem. But that's basically it. It's a pretty good casting. A lot of lines in it, which I'm not that happy with. But I think that's just the way it is. There's nothing we can do about it. So we'll go forward from there. We'll get all this in here, and I got some red and green paint to touch up some of this wood, because this is supposed to be green. It's supposed to, when it sits on here, it's supposed to actually be the metal from the it's supposed to be part of the actual structure. It's not wood. All right, so we got that. Yeah, that's going to be an interesting build, because that is a giveaway. So we're gonna do that coming up very shortly. What else we have is, this is very exciting. This is so exciting. Hope you guys are sitting on the edge of your seats. This is like really cool stuff. It's amazing. Shrink wrap. I got more shrink wrap. Shrink tape. Shrink tubing, because I ran out. This was 10 feet. And I'm down to like nothing on it. So I picked up some replacement for that. And then just this red and green paint. So that was that's stuff that just came recently. There's been a lot of other stuff that's been coming in and out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the What's in the Box. And as always, I'll catch you later.